Hello everyone, let's quickly revise ARM7 LPC2148 Viva questions that are frequently asked in exams and lab vivas. First of all, what is ARM7? ARM7 is a 32-bit RISC processor which uses simple instructions for fast and efficient execution. What is LPC2148? It's an ARM7 based microcontroller developed by NXP with built in peripherals like ADC, UART, and timers. What is RISC? RISC or Reduced Instruction Set Computer is a design approach where the processor uses simple and fewer instructions, each executing in a single clock cycle, improving speed and efficiency. What is assembly language? Assembly language is a low-level programming language that uses mnemonics like move, add, etc. to directly control hardware. What are general purpose registers? In ARM7, register R0 to R12 are called as general purpose registers. These are used to store some data or to perform some operation on any given data. What are banked registers? Banked registers are separate copies of registers for different modes. They allow fast switching between modes, especially during interrupts, without saving and restoring all the register values. What is Little Endian? Little Endian stores the least significant byte first. The lower memory address contains the least significant byte, which is commonly used in ARM systems for easier data handling. What is Big Endian system? Big Endian stores the most significant byte first. The higher value byte, that is MSB, is stored at the lowest memory address. What are CPSR and SPSR in ARM7? CPSR is nothing but current program status register and SPSR is nothing but saved program status register. CPSR holds the current processor state while SPSR stores the previous state during exceptions. List all the modes of ARM7 processor. ARM7 processor has 7 modes which include user, system, FIQ, IRQ, supervisor, abort and undefined. ARM7 has different modes to handle normal execution, interrupts and error conditions. How many pipeline stages exist in ARM7? 3. They are fetch, decode and execute. Fetch, that is instruction is fetched from the memory. Decode, that is instruction is interpreted. Execute, that is operation is performed.